Ssemujju spoke about Mutwe. And Museveni's son said, I'm going to castrate him. He's in the basement running in Runyankore. If you write your wills, we go and see whether we'll survive, because it's going to be hell. I mean, even a by-election 2 kilometers from the center, people can be beaten the way they were beaten. I remember 2005, 2006 election, the Honorable Livingstone Okero was representing Chua. He was beaten, his people were beaten, but he's far away. He told his story after election. So really, where we are now, I think we all prepare for the worst, because it will happen. Charity was speaking about journalists being taken to UCC. But the one who ordered was Muhoozi. He said they should go there and they teach them. And all of you are afraid. You scatter around. There are very few journalists who won't even write about Muhoozi and what he does. But he's taken over control of the country. I mean, his father is officially 80. And I'm saying officially because he said he doesn't know when he was born. One of the daughters assigned him a date in September to celebrate a birthday. And he does celebrate, by the way. A date assigned to him by one of the daughters. So really, when you see bigger NRM people trekking to Saleh, others to the sun, I don't know where our boa goes, maybe to one of the daughters. So that's where we are. That is our situation, unfortunately. And going in the last election, I was still in FDC, I have left. I was responsible for heading nomination teams for 3 elections. In the last election, we were supposed to begin with a prayer at Najanankombe. The candidate was kidnapped before 2 kilometers before Najanankombe and taken. The Honorable Joel they got nominated first. So as we were being nominated, they were being caned because they had finished the nomination. And these things are going to happen. See, that was a rehearsal. We are now under full military dictatorship, where the head of the family is grown old. I think he has, either the son has taken over the responsibility or he has assigned him. The son said in one of the tweets, in Rwanda they write about him very well. In Uganda, journalists don't write about him very well. I will kill them. You've forgotten. So when you get beaten, and you see, don't make a mistake. They say sometimes he's drunk. He is not. He said in Rwanda they write very well about him. Here he will kill you. Now a few months later you're complaining that you were beaten in Kawembe. Didn't he tell you? So really, that's where you are, Shamim, and you journalists covering Parliament. You'd have asked Obua, who is a government whip, why did they lock you here when we were beating MPs during the coffee bill debate? He says, yeah, but you the physical person, you were, yeah, that's why I said, I entirely agree. That's why I said that all of us are victims. We're not going to substitute our citizenship. We have to continue fighting for our own survival, but also for the survival of the country. I salute you guys. You must take the risk. Don't give up, but also prepare everybody. I remember when journalists were being beaten in Kawempe, you call someone, the phone is off. You try to call the families. And then eventually say, no, we have now been dumped at the Kawempe police station. We are making statements. Statements about what? We don't know. So prepare, as I said, but please don't give up, because we don't have the option to do so. but also be brave. One of the things that must happen on Press Freedom Day is celebrate those who have been brave. I think collectively, if you are, there are things they will not want to do. But when you begin giving up, because for the first time in my adult life, I have never seen journalists, and I'm not blaming anyone, but abandoning the story. Like it happened in Kawempe, because now you have to choose between the story and life. This has never happened in my adult life. Museveni came here when I was 12 years and 4 months old. He has never done something like that. So I also have no idea, but I am, for me, I have written, because Mo said I should die this year, I have written my will. Maybe it will be the only opportunity to communicate my story.